Now, what about the impact of your podcast on your ability to raise capital? Tell me what you've seen in the last 3-4 years and how that dynamic has changed.
Well, from a big picture perspective, I think that there's a massive myth in the industry of real estate that if you have a good deal, the money's going to show up. And nothing could be further from the truth. If you have a good deal and no one knows who you are, the good deal is not that consequential. The key is attracting the right investors. And again, the other myth, and I think a lot of people think about raising money, which is a big part of what I do. They contemplate it in such a way they think about they've got their mother, they've got their rich uncle, they've got their doctor, and they're going to go out and try to convert these people to real estate investors and get them to send us $25,000. Now, some of those people, like your mom, for example, may love you and may send you that $25,000. But what they're not going to do is consistently fund your deals over and over and over on a quarterly and annual basis. So the question is, how do you do that? How do you create something that's scalable and replicatable? And I have found, and this is what I wrote my book about, is it's not about going around chasing those leads around, trying to have them have a pseudo-religious experience. I've been investing in the stock market all my life, and now I'm going to take this 50 grand and invest it in every single one of Hunter's deals. It's about creating educational content that attracts people who are already interested in this particular topic and to a certain extent indoctrinates them through the funnel and allows the business to be much more scalable because you're creating this content that can be used, repurposed, and then sent to different investors at different times. And it makes the whole business actually economically viable. So to put some numbers on that, because that was a little bit wordy, my first capital raise was an abject failure. You know, I'm sitting here speaking to you. I believe myself to be a confident communicator. I believe myself to be a very knowledgeable real estate investor. And I certainly was the first time I tried to raise capital. But it failed miserably. I couldn't raise $1 in a room with 30 people, each of whom controlled $1 million each or more. And now, you know, we get an email where someone wants to invest $500,000 with me that I've never spoken to before. Yeah. Why? Because of consistently putting out content that has really had them buy in at a high level.